On our way. Here they come. Target acquired. Full speed ahead. On our way.
Give it a new lease of life, all right?
Battle stations, they're attacking. Coordinates confirmed. Coordinates confirmed. Open fire. On our way. Green to go. Affirmative. Target acquired.
Launching. Nuke prepared drones are running full. Damage under control. Self-repair. Running.
Roger. Affirmative. Weapon systems online.
Self-repair. Running.
On our way.
Taking care of the damages.
Underway.
Reports are in. You were victorious straight across the board.
Roger.
You have entered a restricted area. Leave immediately.
On our way. Underway. Roger. Battle stations. Weapon system.
Here you go. As good as new.
Coordinates confirmed. Clear for action. Affirmative. Open fire. Underway. Coordinates confirmed.
Clearly, your reputation is warranted. Gaslights, clearly.
Roger.
Overhauling in progress.
Battle stations. Roger.
Launching. Nuclear missile.
Clear for action. Battle stations. Coordinates confirmed. Copy that. Roger. Open fire.
Air drones are running full tilt. Should get the damage under control.
Open fire. Clear for action.
Energy shields active.
Target acquired. Copy that. Affirmative. On our way. Green to go.
There you go. Get it moving.
Full speed ahead. Open fire.
How about a little fireworks?
Affirmative. Coordinates confirmed. Affirmative.
Ah, old Nick knew you'd take care of it. No one messes with you much, do they?
On our way. Underway. Coordinates confirmed. We are under attack. Copy that.
Taking the brunt, eh? Don't worry, my drones will fix that.
Clear for action. Underway. Copy that.
Port's on the way.
Full speed ahead. Coordinates confirmed.
We make a good team. My equipment and your strategy. Ah, you showed him. Knew you had it in you.
Requirements for new achievement fulfilled.
Good systems are half the battle.
I'm glad you came back unharmed. This attack gave everyone at the Union headquarters shock, but the program has to go on. We've lost contact to Lunar Excavation Corp. It seems many moon colonies aligned with the Orbital Watch. It's all the more important your space elevator goes into operation.
It seems you value efficiency. So do I. Good, you're here. I have a job for you. I know.
I hope this helps you.
Copy that. Coordinates confirmed.
I'm way too old for adventures like that. Gotta pass next time. So you better make sure you got a decent battle fleet. Stop by the dockyard if you want any ships built or revamped and that.
I know you're very busy, but you can't just close your eyes to this. Always good to have you on the job.
Full speed ahead. Underway. Underway. Roger. Roger. Underway. Coordinates confirmed. Coordinates confirmed. Affirmative. Copy that. On our way.
I see. The results-oriented type. Good, you're here. I have a job for you.
Roger.
All right. Time to make some improvements.
Nothing to report. We're...
Thanks. That really helps.
Looking for...
Very well. Help others to help yourself. Business assignments can be very profitable in terms of materials and resources.
In business, my friend, you're either a fish or a shark.
Congratulations. New achievement gained. New blueprints ready for implementation.
Don't you be getting the idea this is my job. Maybe you'd want to have a go. Works for me. Color me gobsmacked. Good one.
I see you have as little patience with fools as I have. Welcome. I have an assignment for you, if you're interested. There it is, our first dam, standing tall and operating smoothly. But we won't settle for one, right?
Full speed ahead.
These idiots got no idea what they're about. I'd rather a professional took care of it. Waiting yonks for someone to take care of that.
Underway. Full speed ahead. Full speed ahead.
Cable firmly attached. Elevator car ready for departure. Attention. Approaching Global Union Space Station. Prepare for docking.
Congratulations! The first step into space. All purviews of the global economy are now accessible for you. Phase 2 of the Lunar Licensing Program starts now.
Warning.
In the Arctic, all your actions will fall under the supervision of the Arctic Custodians. Let's have a look at their territory.
Warning. Unfulfilled demand for specific consumer products.
It was a diplomatic feat to make the custodians open their lands for private corporations, so your choice of location is somewhat limited.
Welcome to Phase 2 of the Lunar Licensing Program. You are now authorized to enter the Arctic region and access its deposits of rare resources to implement new means of galactic travel. Your official contact person will give you more information.
Ice and snow, a rare sight nowadays, one you owe to the custodian's climate stabilization technology.
I'm Dr. Howard Young. I speak for the Arctic Custodians. First, allow me to be clear. We expect you to abide by our directives at all times. The Arctic ecosystem is very delicate. Respect these rules and we'll get along just fine.
Not exactly a warm welcome, but let's just proceed with Phase 2. We need Arctic resources for rocket construction, so we have to establish a base of operations on one of these islands. Set up your new location wherever you want. All of the islands are suitable.
On our way.
If you build a distribution center here, I can officially sign the island over to you. With the acquisition of this island, you earned the mining rights for this area. The Arctic Custodians will watch you like a hawk from now on. Their directives are strict, but you should adhere to them while building up your basic infrastructure. The heating standards alone will be a challenge.
I had hoped to meet you here. I know you are unlike other CEOs. You don't shy away from uncomfortable decisions where our environment is concerned. That's why I want to offer you this opportunity. You see, the Arctic is the only place on Earth where fossil fuels can still be found. Many corporations have tried to mercilessly exploit this source of wealth in the past and failed. The Arctic Custodians are quick to show any companies the door if they raise even the slightest suspicion of polluting the environment. Yet these rusty carcasses remained here, many of them shedding black blood from old wounds. But we at Usoyev Incorporated have offered to render them harmless for the Arctic custodians. With your support, I hope.
Good systems are half the battle.
Everything seems to be in line here. Please proceed with dismantling the oil platform.
This request might be a little unorthodox, perhaps, but I trust you.
We'll keep an eye on everything here for you.
Consumer analyses show unfulfilled demand for specific commodities.
Fine, your settlement seems to follow our regulations well enough. You are permitted to continue the expansion of your spaceport within reasonable limits.
Well, that's exactly what's on the agenda right now. The Orbital Watch is still threatening the Union trade routes. You have to establish your own shipping docks at the spaceport.
Battle stations, they're attacking. Coordinates confirmed. Coordinates confirmed. Open fire. On our way. Green to go. Affirmative. Target acquired.
Launching. Nuclear air drones are running full tilt. Get the damage under control. Self-repair. Running.
Roger. Affirmative. Weapon systems online. On our way. Here they come. Target acquired. Full speed ahead. On our way.
Give it a new lease of life, all right?
Self-repair. Running.
On our way.
Taking care of the damages.
Underway.
Reports are in. You were victorious straight across the board.
Roger.
You have entered a restricted area. Leave immediately.
On our way. Underway. Roger. Battle stations. Weapon system.
Here you go. As good as new.
Coordinates confirmed.